Hey gorgeous, I'm going to show you how to do this 3D nail art design without using any acrylic. I start out by polishing the nail and I'm going to go in with top coat to basically coat the nail. Now I won't be talking throughout this entire video, but I will explain what I'm doing in each step. So now I'm going to go ahead and cure that nail, and I'm going to use this acra gel that I got from the nail supply store. You can find any type of acra gel on Amazon. I have some linked in my bio and my Amazon storefront. You can go get that if you need that. I've seen people use many different brands, but this one seems to be pretty good. So you basically will use like a cuticle pusher to scoop out the product from the jar. So I use the pointy part of the cuticle pusher. I like to use the metal ones because they're a lot more sturdy, but I've seen people use the wooden those little wood sticks. You're also gonna need that little palette that I have. You can find all of this stuff in my Amazon storefront. Like I said, if you need that, go get that. I'm going to take the product and just roll it up into like a little ball in my hand, and I'm gonna do multiple ones, like multiple little balls. That way we can create those flower petals that we want to create for this design. Just sit them on the little palette and just dig out as many as you need. Alright, so once I have all of these little balls on the palette, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my little box that I got. It's got like rhinestones and all kind of like miscellaneous things in it. Trying to get a little collection going here, but you'll need that. You'll need your rhinestone glue, and it doesn't have to be this particular rhinestone glue. It can be any. You're gonna go ahead and place your dots, however many dots you want to do as far as the glue goes. This is where you'll be putting your rhinestones and your flower petals. So however many you want, I did 2 for this video. Go ahead and get your rhinestone picker, and we're going to use this to pick up the rhinestones and place them on the nail. So now I'm going to go ahead and cure this in the nail lamp for 30 seconds. You're also going to need this little tool. This is, it has like a little silicone end on it. You need this one in particular because it helps with pushing down on the gel when you're creating the petals. I'm going to pick up my petal and place it on the nail. And y'all, I was having a hard time with this, trying to get this thing to lay on the freaking nail. So I had to take off my gloves. But you're going to just place it on the nail. And I'm going to try to zoom in on this part, but you're going to want to like push inward. Like as you take the little tool, you're going to like push it. You're going to push it inward and then push it back, kind of like how I'm doing here. You guys can see what I'm doing, right? Okay, so you're just pushing it inward, making that petal. And if you want to make it a little pointy, you kind of go on the sides and kind of like swipe it inward, like how I'm doing here. But always do it to however you like it. If you like yours to look extra swipe, then do that. Alright, so now I'm on that second petal, and I'm gonna basically do the same thing that I just did, like pushing it forward and then like pushing it backward, like pushing inward and pushing backward on it. I hope this is all making sense, because it's making sense to me. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.